Okay, so you got a hand stapler, and you want to know how to change staples, or load it, or unload it, if that's the case. What do we got here? We got some staples. Now we do have two Stanley staple guns. This one, I have not used this one in quite a while. I've used this one probably 5 years ago. Probably about 5 years ago, yeah. Hung a green screen curtain on it with it. That says since come down, and we don't use it anymore. But press the button back here in the back. Press it in and then push up. That'll allow you to pull that out. And with that out, of course this staple zippers in there. We're going to put a new bank in there. We're going to turn it upside down. We're going to put the staples with the U facing this way. Slide those in. Tap it to get those to go forward. See if it looks like we can fit more in, which it looks like we can fit the ones that were in there as well. So the staples are in there like that. Now you slide this forward. And then once you get there, slide it in, pull down, let go. And now she's ready to staple. Awesome. That's one Stanley. This is an aluminum Stanley. This is much lighter. Much lighter. I think that's why I used this one more. Because it was a lot better. Is this one locked? No. What's this do? No, it doesn't lock it either. I'm not sure. Anyway, this one's going to be the same thing. Most staple guns are going to be the same thing. Alright, we're just proving it. Well, both the same brand though, so it's not really proving anything. Anyway, push in, up, let go, pull out, down. We're going to tilt it forward. We got two staple banks right there. Turn it upside down. Staple's going to go in the exact same way as we did on the other one. Slide those in. So they look nice and pretty. You're going to slide that in as well. And when you get in there, slide it in, pull down, let go, and now she's ready to staple. This time I'm not going to aim it towards the camera. That's how you change the staples in the staple gun. At least the staple. Well, they should all be the same. Even the electric ones. The electric ones might be a little different. Actually, I had one I think that went on top of it. Your staple gun may be a little different, but nice and easy there. Nice and easy there.